Here I've got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here scroll down, locate and open accessibility, and then go to Talkback. And if you'd like to activate this feature, just click on this switcher and give it permission to use all of these features. Click on OK. And that's it. Now we've got some Talkback tutorial. So all you have to do is to click on some feature and then double tap to select it. So Talkback will provide you with particular feedback on what is displayed on the screen, and you can smoothly tap on some feature and then you'll be provided with info.
Double tap tap, display size default. Double tap tap, magnification off.
And this is how you can use it. Then if you'd like to switch Talkback off, just click on Talkback.
Talkback on, speak items on screen. Double tap to activate.
So let me double tap on it, and then to switch it off, just click here, and then double tap to switch it off. And this is it. So this is how you can activate, use and deactivate Talkback in your device in your Motorola Moto G8 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.